How to recover deleted contacts on iPhone. To recover deleted contacts on iPhone, follow these steps. To recover deleted contacts, you can use iCloud contacts. Firstly, open Settings on your device and tap on your Apple ID at the very top. Here you will see the iCloud option. Click on it. Now inside, you will see an interface like this. Here you will see a section called Saving is Paused. Click on this section and you will land to another interface. Here scroll down and find the option Contacts. Toggle the contacts off, then choose Keep on my iPhone. Now toggle contacts back on and choose Merge. After which you will need to wait a few minutes for the contacts to reappear. Now go back and open a web browser. Then visit the website iCloud.com. Here log in with your Apple ID. After logging in with your Apple ID, go to Account Settings, then click on Advanced. After which you need to click on the option Restore Contacts. Now select a backup date before the contacts were deleted and click Restore. After following this process, your contacts will be restored. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.